Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you. This is the brand new USB-C charger. WIN FFS cable. It's a 2-pack. It's a quick charging cable device for example, Samsung Galaxy devices, for tablets with fast charge power supply. It's an USB-C plug, which can nearly delivers energy for nearly all USB-C connectable devices. With a built-in intelligent protection device for the fast charger can effectively prevent against overheating, overvoltage, overcurrent, overcharging, and short circuit, etc. It makes charging much safer, for example, at the night time. These cables here are designed specifically for example, Samsung Galaxy series, feature power delivery technology and support data transfer speed of up to 480 megabit per second, and compacted supply, and the Samsung power supply is small and light. It is heat resistant and designed to be draw-proof. It is a small and wearable and easy to carry set, equipped with a 6 feet long USB-C to USB-C cable. You can use it at home, or on vacation, on a trip, on a business trip, on everyday use. 25-watt USB-C super fast charger for Samsung, for the iPhone, for the tablet, and more. We have super fast rechargeable stuff. Every USB-C port connectable device can handle this. It's fire resistant, power delivery 3.0, and secure charging, with a wide compatibility for Samsung devices, for Samsung phones, for Samsung tablets, for the iPhone, for what else? MacBook Air, for example, for the Galaxy Book, Chromebook, and for AirPods, for the Watch, for the Switch, Nintendo Switch, for example, for wireless charger, for the Amazon Fires HD, for example. It's compatible to nearly everything out there. And with the 6 feet long Samsung charging cable, we can make a good job with that. This is the CA57T model. The input voltage can be from 100 up to 240 volts, so you can use it worldwide. 50, 60 hard. Output comes at 5 volt, 3 ampere, 9 volt, 2.77 ampere, and 12 volt, 2.08 ampere. And it comes with 25 watt maximum power. And this delivers for an iPad Air or an iPad Pro the power. No problem for this nice USB-C charger. It's a 2-pack quick charging cable set for, of course, all devices which needs an USB-C power supply. Because often today, the developer and the brands of the smartphones does not deliver us. If they gives us a phone, they gives us not an AC adapter for it. But here it comes. The USB-C charger can handle this prop for you. That it is. Easy peasy, baby. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun.